Hello and welcome back to my vlog. I'm Lexi if you're new here, and welcome. We are officially in Lisbon, Portugal, and I'm so excited. Lisbon and overall Portugal is one of my favorite places I visited, so I'm excited to explore more and just finish off this healing journey here. So that's exciting, and I got in not yesterday but the day before that. So I'm starting these vlogs early because I plan to just show so much of Lisbon. I love it. Brussels was very quiet and kind of more of like a relaxing, which I liked, but there wasn't a lot of vlogging opportunities because you don't need to see the park across the street 5 million times that I went to. But yeah, today I am gonna go shop for an outfit. I'm going to this festival this weekend that's an all-white festival for the end of the summer that the Portuguese celebrate, and one of my friends I haven't seen in a long time invited me because she's in Portugal. And then I'm gonna go to a lookout with my friend Mads later, my other roommate. So yeah, let's go get doing that. I came for white pants. These are definitely not all white pants. Also, the line was crazy in here. I couldn't find the fitting rooms, and that's because it's like you wait in line and they tell you, and there's these big cubicles of fitting rooms, and so many. Okay, let's try on. I'm gonna get these two, this one and the pants, and then I'm gonna try and find this in a large and get other colors of this top. So wish me luck. We're on our later excursion. I already went home and did some more video editing, and now we're gonna go to a lookout. We're in Ashwan. Okay, it's much later, obviously. But I keep forgetting to end off the days, so on this last leg, I'm trying to like end the days, to transition, so I just like boop to the next day. So yeah, I'll see you the next day I'm doing something, or tomorrow, whatever comes first. Another day, another adventure like usual. Going to the farmer's market, and then I'm gonna try and go flea market. So let's go. But you know, she bought me a pair of sunglasses doing all the things. But it's also summer strawberry season. So it could just be like they're going out of season, you know? Yeah, I guess there's nothing on Sunday. Church day. Well, I'm sure there's more than you don't want to put your car. So I went ahead and put all of my farmers market finds back in the fridge here, and now I'm gonna go to the flea market. I also got these cute little bags at the farmers market. I wanted to show you because my little cousins I got them for don't have social media, but they live in rural Vermont, so I got them these little bags to put around their necks to, you know, put all their finds that they find in the forest right by their house. So I think that's fun. And now I'm gonna go to the flea. I'm doing all of my Christmas and fall birthday planning, like presents here, and buying all the presents here. So I'm pretty good ways in, and we're on our last leg, so. It is 5 p.m. and the market does close at 6. So majority of vendors are closing up. I saw a cute belt, it wasn't my size, but yeah, I'm gonna hit it again on Tuesday or whenever it's open again. So let's get going. I need to go to Sephora and I might go to Lookout and maybe a thrift store. Not promising a thrift store, but yeah. Hello. I forgot to end it off yesterday, but today we're going to Kais Kais. I'm very excited. I do need to charge this camera real quick before I go. This is the outfit. This top and Brussels. Let's go. back from the beach and I wanted to end off this vlog before I get distracted, you know, being home and all. But thank you for watching and stay tuned for a lot more Portugal vlogs. This is only my first week. So yeah, there's gonna be a lot more adventures and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.